How affiliate marketing can replace paid ads. Let's start this with a question. What's the real cost of paid advertising? Well, it's not just your ad budget. It's your time, your stress, your inconsistency, and your constant algorithm chasing. Every time Meta or Google sneezes, your funnel catches a cold. You are tweaking headlines, retargeting audiences, testing 500 hooks, and praying for a 2% CTR. The problem? You are renting attention and not building relationships. And worse, it's addictive. You spend more to get more, but the moment you stop at spending, the leads dry up. And there is no compound effect, no flywheel, just constant churn. But what if, instead of spending money to get clicks, you could reward people for bringing you customers? Instead of running cold ads to strangers, you had warm promoters introducing you to audiences that already trust them. And that is the power of affiliate marketing. When done right, affiliate marketing doesn't just reduce your ad costs. It creates a viral growth engine that compounds. A network of evangelists who sell for you, and a predictable, scalable system that runs 24/7 without ad spend. Just ask Go High Level. They built a $40 million plus business with virtually zero paid traffic. ClickFunnels scaled to 100,000 plus users with Dreamcar affiliates doing the heavy lifting. System.io grew massively through referral only launches, and now you can do the same. And let's show you how. Go High Level's entire $10 million annual recurring revenue was affiliate led. They didn't burn cash on Facebook ads. They gave 50% recurring commissions and focused on equipping their affiliates with done for you funnels, tutorials, and a brand story people loved sharing. It wasn't about ads. It was never about ads. It was about arming an army. So let's break this down. Here is exactly how affiliate marketing can replace and outperform paid advertising in a sustainable way. Step 1. Understand the ad to affiliate comparison. If you look at this table below, if you look at the cost, paid ads, ongoing spend, affiliate marketing is commission only. Risk, high upfront when it comes to paid ads. Affiliate marketing, you only pay for results. Trust, cold traffic. Affiliate marketing, you have warm referrals. Lifetime ROI, paid ads, it declines. Affiliate marketing, it increases. Asset, paid ads, temporary. Affiliate marketing, permanent network. So affiliate marketing shifts you from customer acquisition cost to customer acquisition partnership. Audience rent to audience trust. Step 2. Set up the foundational system. You will build an affiliate portal with everything a promoter needs: Canva, ChatGPT, GHL, everything. A commission model that rewards results. Will walk you through tiered plus recurring options. A library of evergreen content like explainer reels, testimonial montages, swipe emails, etc. An onboarding and training sequence using AI plus Go High Level. This is your engine, built once and runs forever. Step 3. Turn affiliates into performance machines. Now this is where automation meets inspiration. Use ChatGPT to create personalized cold outreach for affiliate recruitment. Use Go High Level to automate tracking, rep approvals, email follow-ups. Use Zapier and Google Sheets to do various things like visualizing affiliate performance, triggering rewards, leaderboard updates, and so on. Once it's all set up, it's like having 100 mini ad agencies promoting you without the ad costs. So here is what I want you to remember. Paid ads buy clicks. Affiliate marketing build movements. Instead of fighting for attention in a sea of scrolls, you empower people who already have trust to bring others in. So instead of spending more to get less, you reward results and scale with zero upfront cost. That's not just replacing paid ads, that's evolving past them. So, as we move forward in this course, ask yourself, who already loves my product? Who already has an audience I would love to reach? And how can I turn them into empowered partners? Because if you get this right, you will never have to worry about CPMs, ad bans, or platform changes ever again.